Is my screen coming up? Okay, can you able to see my screen? Okay. So for today, we will learn about, just hold on guys. Okay, so today we learn about the Salesforce releases. So Salesforce releases, what do you mean by releases? Any idea? The term releases. Any idea?
Summer, winter.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Usually releases in the sense, okay, releases in the sense it is just giving an update, not summer, winter. It is a type of a releases, but releases means a group of features given for the user to utilize it. It is like advanced feature. As you can take it as a mobile application. Now we are using iPhone Pro Max, then comes the 16, 17. So it is what bit advanced feature. Now we are working in one particular application. In after few days, we will have some another version, the same, but in an advanced level. Like technology, it is increasing a bit technology. Okay, so this is called as Salesforce. I'm sorry, releases. So in Salesforce, basically there are three types of releases. Like based on the, it is based on the what seasonal calendar wise, like winter, spring, and summer. And how do you identify like it is a spring, summer, or winter? Basically, as you have know that Salesforce has started in the year 1990. So from 1990 to till now, there are plenty of releases. Like, so to identify that, what it will do is we'll have three categories like winter, spring, and summer. Can you able to see? Winter, spring, and summer. So now you want to know, it is very important for your interview. Like now interviewer mostly they'll ask what is the current release, what is the past, and what is your future release. So from 1990 to till now, from 1990 till now, how can you identify that which is your current release? So basically what, how it is notated as by the end year. Like today, this year is 25, so it will be like winter 25, some spring 25, summer 25. So these are the three types of releases, like winter release, spring release, and summer release. Currently we are into a spring release. Current release is what? This is our current release. So interviewer may ask, current release is spring 25. This is our past, this is our future. So basically releases in the sense updating like you, like features, group of a features to utilize for the user. So basically what it happens is for every 4 months in a year, Salesforce will release a new feature. Like after every 4 months there is a new feature. So now if you want to check the releases, what do you say, if you want to check what is your current releases, there is a, Salesforce has provided one that is called as inside, that is releases. Salesforce release. So this is a trust sales status.salesforce.com. Here you can find out the releases. If you want to check what where is my current release, just go to this Salesforce. In the Google, if you are typing status.salesforce.com, so in the left side you can see Salesforce service. Once you're clicking, just hold on. I have some network issue. So Salesforce has provided to check the services plus the releases. So once you're going into this Salesforce service, okay, Guru Babu, are you on the screen now?
Yeah, yeah. Leave it.
Could
Yeah.
you could you please share your screen if you don't mind, so that I can able to assist you?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll.
Can you see
Yeah.
my?
Yes, yes, it is coming up. And here, if you are typing status.sales, if you want to check the release date, what is our Salesforce? Yes, status.salesforce.com. Yeah, over there, click. So in the Salesforce service, yeah, click into any server. What it is, AP. Do you remember AP
Yeah, yeah.
server?
Server.
Yeah, just click into any one. I'll explain you again. Yeah,
This is Commerce Cloud.
not this. Can you able to click into AP and all, not this. I think there is, yeah, AP 46, whatever. Yeah.
46.
Huh. Now in the right corner, you can see it is currently in which release?
Version response.
Spring 25. 25 in the sense it is an year, and spring means release. Okay.
Okay.
So in this way, you can identify now we are in which releases, because it is a main important question during an interview. Like, what is your current release? What is your, so if now it is a spring release, so what is the past release?
First is 24.
Hmm.
First is
Mm-hmm.
summer.
No, I have mentioned you winter, spring, summer.
Yeah. First
So,
winter.
so
First
just beyond
winter.
that spring, just beyond that
Spring,
spring,
spring. Spring.
trust, go to the trust status. Now is spring 25, right? What
Yes.
is the current is the spring 25. What is the past release?
24.
No, it is winter
Winter,
25.
winter 20. Okay, 20, winter 24, right?
And what is the future?
Summer.
Summer what? Year, because there are many. You have
Okay.
to mention.
Okay.
You
Okay.
have.
Summer 25, right?
Yes, yes, because there are many, like many releases from 1990 to till 2025. For every year, every 4 months, there is a new release, like spring, summer, and winter. If you're just saying spring release, you cannot able to identify what releases and what feature you're working on. So to distinguish this, they had mentioned the year as well.
Okay.
Got it? Got my point?
Yes. Yes. I got.
Okay. So you can stop your screen. I don't know why it's not working from my end. Yeah. You can able to see my screen, right?
I think.
It got stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think my screen is not visible, right? My,
Mm. Now you can able to see my screen, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What is this? My God. Oh my God.
And I'm not visible to your screen.
I'll rejoin again. I'll rejoin again. Give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Is my screen visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So we had. Haha. Thank you. So we have learned about this Salesforce releases like winter, spring, and summer. Winter 25 is past release, spring 25 is your current, and after 3 months it will be like summer 25 future release. Now you will find that okay, it is for every 3 months. Now you have your organization, you have your account, you have your own details, you have your own data. Okay, right, your data is existing there. Now immediately the releases happened. You're wondering if my current data will remain same, will it get affected by the releases? No, it will not affect by your releases. Whatever the data it is there, it will remain same, but it will have some advanced feature as well. So during the Salesforce release, the existing data will not get affected with the Salesforce releases, it will remain the same. Add on to that, it will add few more additional and advanced feature for the convenient, for based on the technology. Okay, so these are the benefits of Salesforce releases. So as you know that during this Salesforce release, Salesforce will have as I have mentioned yesterday, we have a service called SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah. So during releases, it will include for each and every cloud service, it will include, even if you're working with a SaaS feature, SaaS services, releases will include it for the SaaS as well. If you are working with the PaaS services, releases will include to the PaaS as well. And similarly for IaaS, if you are working on IaaS like storage and backup services, releases will include it for the IaaS services as well. Got it? So all the three cloud services, releases is applicable for all the three cloud services. Okay. So next is, now you're wondering, if you're doing a work for it, you're doing a project for at least for 3 months, and you had built your own applications, there are n number of records. So now immediately Salesforce is announcing there is a release. So how do you come to know? Now you're feeling that whether my what do you say, records are secure or not, and will it get updated? So for to avoid this, Salesforce will provide a pre-release note 2 months prior the release date. Okay, understood? Now for suppose, now currently we are in what do you say, spring 25, next will be a summer 25. So if there is a date, tentative date they will give, if there is a release, so what it will do is Salesforce will provide a release note 2 months before, like what and all changes will be there, what and all further release will have, updates will have, they will provide a pre-release notes, so that you can update yourself and you can understand, okay, so few terms in configuration flows update will be there, integrations update will be there. So Salesforce will provide few release note before releasing the feature. Got it? So currently we are in spring 25, right? In Salesforce release note, you can see that for summer 25, what and all changes will be there, it is already provided. Flow builder, org, there are many more. Got it? In the release note. I'm just opening the release note. Yeah. Now we are in spring 25. But for summer 25, what and all changes will applied to the organization, it is already predefined, and they had given the few notes, like there will be a changes in sandbox, there will be a certificate maintenance, and then what do you say, what and all features in customization, configuration, data clouds, what and all updating will be there, they had mentioned in one PDF doc, and they will send you 2 months prior the release date. So this is a release note of the Salesforce. Okay. So now coming to this IaaS, I'll just explain you how it works. Do you remember what is IaaS? Can you say the full form of IaaS, what it is? What it does? Hello?
Hi. Infrastructure as a software.
As a service. So IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. So till now, the releases you come to know that winter release, spring release, and summer release. And even the release note, Salesforce will provide a release note before releasing the sale. Before releasing, Salesforce will provide a release note that what and all features to be updated. Salesforce will give you a prior intimation, so that you will come to know, okay, these many changes will gonna happen, these many update gonna happen, so you will be in prepared. This is Salesforce and Salesforce release note. Coming to service instance, here comes the IaaS. So it's nothing but infra. Infrastructure as a service. So what do you mean by infra? Yeah, I have discussed you yesterday, right? Well, just give me a little heads up on it. Infrastructure as a service, it means make it as a, hello?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Storing of our data, right?
Just storing.
Storing a network to customer build their own application.
No. It is like backups, security, maintenance, storage.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, everything it comes under the infrastructure as a service. So I'll just give you how it works. I'll give you a base what theory of how it works. Okay. Now you see. I have mentioned you there are three types of servers like North America, Europe region, and Asia Pacific region. These are the three servers, right? Do you remember? Okay, in infrastructure as a service, we have three categories. Salesforce has three server categories, that is North America region, Asia Pacific server, next is Europe region. So there are three types of servers Salesforce provided. Salesforce basically from America, USA, it is US based company, so it will come under North America region server. Server in the sense, you can see in this image, yeah, you can see this is North America region server. Okay, so there are total uh, 292 servers, that is na is a shortcut of North America, so na0, it means from na0 to na 291 servers are provided for this region, North America region. So this is in this one server. So in one server, you will have many customers. As you can say NA0. In NA0, you have this one box, as you can see. Is my screen visible, right? Just give me, because I cannot able to understand whether I'm sharing or not. Okay. So in one server, this one box, as you can see, red color box, it is one customer detail. You can call it as organization, one account, or else a Salesforce organization, or else account. Suppose you are creating a Salesforce account, this one red color column box, it will store in one server. For suppose Gmail account, Gmail will Google company will provide for every user, they will be having a memory space of 15 GB only. They will not give entire Google server to the particular user, no, right? Because there are n number of users. Each and every user, what they will do is, they will create, user will create an Gmail account. So Gmail, Google people, what they'll do, they will just give a memory space for that server. Now server will have big vast box. So within that server, they will just allocate 15 GB memory location to one user. So there are, like that, they will be having plenties of user within 15 GB memory location. In the same manner, in this one server like NA0, North America region, there are from 292 servers. So for one server like NA0, it will allocate one memory location. They will not give entire server, they will just give few memory space, for suppose like 10 GB and all that we'll discuss in addition. Next topic is addition. So they will just provide you a little space, that is little memory location within the entire server. So in this way, now you have created one account, your account has been created, that is called, this is a customer one, that is one account. You can call it as account or as org, whatever, simply we will use as a term org. So customer one org has been created. It is for suppose it is storing a memory space of 10 GB. Okay, now in the similar way, customer 2, they also have shown their interest in Salesforce and they created the account. For them, organization 2, similarly 3. Now there are n number of customers and with their own account or an org. Now to identify that, what they will do, each and every org will have their own unique ID. It is of 18 characters. As you can see, org ID over here, it is of 18 characters, alphanumeric. It will be unique for every org. Every customer will have their own unique ID, because it should not get collapsed with any of the accounts. Each and every account will have their own security, their own unique identification. Okay, so in one single server, NA0 will have many memory space of the accounts or its org. Understood till now? So now you can wonder how many of customers can able to accumulate in one single server. So Salesforce has provided 8,000 customers can be created, 8,000 accounts can be created in one single server. Got it? If you want, if you're taking note, please take down. So in one single server, 8,000 accounts can be accumulated. Okay, so in one single server, 8,000 account can be captured over here. As you can see, in one single server, total 8,000 org or else account we can capture in one single server. So now you will wonder that in case if we want more data, like there are many users, like it crossed there are many users who have shown interest in Salesforce. Now what they will do, they will create one more account. If this 8,000, if the account got exceeded to 8,000, like 8,010 customers had created, what it will do is it will add one more buffer space over here, like buffer memory location. I'll explain you in image. So Salesforce, what it will provide is it will add few more buffer memory location. Now you can wonder that you can say that, okay, NA001 in this image, you can see in this image customer one's detail, it crossed 10 GB. Now still customer one is having few more data to be feeded and it is crossing 10 GB. So do this customer need to go to another NA1 server? No, right? Because we cannot shuffle from one server to the next server. For suppose this is one server, NA0 is one server. Similarly, NA1 will be another server. In NA1, we will be having 8,000 customers, 8,000 accounts. So in NA0, we have customer one detail. Now customer one detail 10 GB has crossed. Now customer one wants few more space for their project implementation. What it will do is, for that it will not go to the second server. What it will do is it will store this detail in the same server, because Salesforce is providing a buffer's memory location in the same server. Got it? 8,000 organization, it is normal limit, but to store more data, Salesforce is the plus advantage is Salesforce is giving few more memory locations, so that the customer need not to go to another server. It can store their own data within the same server. Hope it is clear. Understood? Hope it's clear. Just give me an heads up. Hello?
Yes.
Till now it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the architecture behind the Salesforce memory location infrastructure, which you have said it is like backup storage, maintenance, security. And here what, there is no clashing of any data. Like if your customer wants data, it is there with you, It will not, you have your own unique ID to identify, okay, this is my data, this is his data, because everyone's unique ID everyone's ID will be unique, and their memory location you need not to juggle over another server. It will be remain in your own server with an extra memory location. Got it? This is called as buffer memory location. Okay, so I'll let you know. So in IAS there are having 3 servers. There are 3 servers. Those are, number 1, what is that, North America region. Its server now ranges from 0 to, total are, North America region total server is 292. Similarly, Asia Pacific, 63 servers. I have given this yesterday. Do you remember? Okay. Europe region, 57 servers. So each server will have 80, each server will have 80,000 of accounts, account or org or Salesforce org. Okay, hope it is clear till now. Okay, so next is a multi-tenant architect. So what do you understand by multi-tenant architecture? Any idea? Any idea? Multi-tenant, what do you mean by tenant? Guru, what do you mean by tenant? Okay, so tenant in the sense, a person or an organization taking any resource in rental basis. Okay, so tenant means a person or an organization or a company taking any resources in a rental basis is called it as tenant. Just give me a minute. Guru Babu, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so multi-tenant in the sense, a tenant means people or a resource or a company. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, you understood, right? Tenant means,
Yes, yes, I understood.
yes, just give me a confirmation so that I can go further. So
Okay.
we are taking any resources in a rental basis is called as tenant. So multi-tenant, it means the multiple people or a user or an organization taking resources in a rental basis, that is known as multi-tenant. I'll just show you and architect of this. Okay, here you can see in one single server multiple customers in the sense account or a user or an org Okay, multiple customers are sharing a same server. NA server, we have total 80K organization. So same server is been shared with 80K organizations. Sorry, 8K organizations. This is called as multi-tenant, sharing a single server with multiple of customer. Got it?
Multiple of users, right?
Multiple of customers. Yes, within single server. This is called as multi-tenant. So basically what it is, multi-tenant means a shared infrastructure. This is one infrastructure and it has been shared within multiples of customer. Next is only one platform. Like you can say, for suppose in Microsoft, what it will do is they will have multiples of version, or in case you can take it as windows, what you will do, windows 10 and then 11 then 12.0. So there are multiple versions based on the year wise it will update the feature. So now in case you're working in a Microsoft, they're using a tool of version 2.0. Okay, so they're completely doing a trial based on the 2.0 version. Now you got a job, now you are seeking for the job and you got a job. Okay, and you have onboarded it. Now what they'll do, they will, in the company will not use the trial based one. They will use the they'll purchase the real time platform and they'll work on their version get changes. Like you are working in trial basis, but the real platform will be different. They have few advanced level of features. So now, but coming to Salesforce, there is no such versions because of releases, because we are using a release in the sense same platform, only the feature get update within the organization. There is no platform changes, no versions, nothing. So this is the benefit of multi-tenant. Like multi-tenant in the sense same platform, just features are getting updated without any changes of existing data. Okay, multi-tenant means shared infrastructure. Next is same platform, there is no trial based, no real version, nothing, only one platform with an uh, updates within the organization. Existing data will be there, plus advanced feature will also add on. Okay, and then multi-tenant, another point is zero investment. Like for server and like releases for features, few people what they will do is few apps and all, they will purchase the apps, they purchase the few version. Like in case now in the windows, like you have one pop-up over, you will get a pop-up like update for the new version. Then what it will do, you will do a click next and then install. So here manually it is going on for few apps. But coming to Salesforce automatically it will update it, like automatic generation it is there, automatically it will update the feature. Here no manually done, because normally what you will do, now you're installing JDK or Java to something. So what it will do is updating version of Java, what it will do, once you're downloading, what it will ask, do you want to install in your device, and then what you will click next and then install. Manually it is done, right? But coming to Salesforce, there is no manual, everything will be done in cloud based and automated. Okay, these are the few advantage of multi-tenant in the sense it is a shared infrastructure with multiple users. It means one single server is supplied to all the customers, like 80,000 customers plus extra buffer memory location. Got it? Salesforce in the sense it is a multi-tenant architecture, like single server with shared customer. Okay, and there is no versions, we will use a same platform, just a release, few features will be changed, that too within our data. There will be no effect in our existing data. Okay, till now it is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so next we'll move to okay, clear till now, multi-tenant architecture it is called it as multi-tenant architecture. If you want, you can take the note. Yeah, whatever I have said is just a written thing. If you want to take screenshot. Guru, have you
Yeah,
taken? Yeah. Next comes the additions of Salesforce. What do you mean by addition? Additions in the sense, any idea? Additions means general term. It's a general term. Guru, do you have any idea? Mm. Additions, like normally generally look in books. Edition one book, like Harry. We have in books also, right? There are few edition. Like what do you say? This is one edition. This is second edition for books. Like part one, part two. In the same case, additions. Additions in Salesforce, like variation, features. This is one variation. This is second variation. Okay. So this is called as Salesforce edition. In Salesforce edition, we are having two types of edition. That is paid and unpaid. You can call it as paid and free edition. Okay. In paid edition, there are five types of paid edition. Okay. And two types of free edition. So in Salesforce, basically there are two categories, like paid edition. Next is free edition. Okay. So in paid edition, we have starter suit. I'll write it. Okay. Starter suit. Is it okay now? I mean, my screen is visible, right?
yes,
Okay. So in paid edition, we have starter suit, we have pro suit, enterprises edition, unlimited edition, Einstein One Sales edition. These are the features. These are the groups of features to utilize for the user, for customization, for anything. Okay. So paid edition, altogether there are five types: starter suit, pro suit, Einstein Enterprise, unlimited, and then Einstein One Cell edition. So in starter suit edition, basically what it is, it offers simple CRM functionalities. What are CRM functionalities? Sales, service, and marketing. That's it. So in this edition, starter suit, what it will do, it will give basic functionalities of CRM, sales, service, and marketing. That's it. And it will not offer any customization, any additionally creation. No, no declaration. Declaration in the sense, uh, creating an app without using a code. That is called declaration. Customization is using programming. Okay, like programming customization, next is this declaration. So starter suite, what it happens, it will just use Salesforce CRM functionality, like sales, servicing, marketing. That's it. And this starter suite edition, it will only applicable for small companies, like for 5 users. The company who is having 5 employee or 10 employee, only for those. Okay, it will not have uh, it cannot use for this big company, because there is no customization, no declaration, nothing, just general what it is there, sales, that just we can use with a little term. And it is paid. So for per user it is $24. $24 in the sense, in INR it is 2k, 2k. So per user it is $24 per month. So it is like a big investment. Next come, and the storage space. Storage space is 10 GB. Data storage, file storage is 1 GB. File storage, it is like you say documents, PDFs, Excels, and all. That is for file storage. Data storage, it means users record, users detail, data, and all. So altogether 10 GB. Got it? Next is Pro Suit Edition. It is bit advanced. That's it. A little advanced to that Starter Suit Edition. It is also what it happens. It will use all the CRM functionalities. Like you can do, you can create your own apps, like declarative, not programmatically. You can customize your apps through CRM, like sales, service, and marketing. But here, what you cannot create your own app. What and all it is there, you can use it and you can do a modification. Here, what you cannot modify it in Starter Suite Edition, you cannot modify. You can just use what it is there. That's it. But in Pro Suite, you can modify the existing one. But here, you cannot create your own. The same happens here. No customer, no declaration customization, because force.com platform is not there. What is force.com platform? It is PaaS. PaaS means platform where you can create your own. Okay, force.com platform is PaaS. SaaS means standard apps. Okay, so here Pro Suits also we cannot create anything. This two we cannot create anything, and this cost is $100 per user. Here is $24, here is $100. Data storage 10 GB, file storage 10 GB. Okay. Coming to enterprises, this is a bit advanced from both of those. Here, what it will do, it offers complete CRM functionalities. CRM in the sense sales, service, and marketing. And it also includes force.com platform. It means here you can customize your own app based on the requirements. Like you can create your own banking app, you can create your own health management app, sports management, event management, whatever it is, because force.com platform is applicable over here. But comparing to this two, force.com platform is not applicable. Okay. And coming to unlimited edition, it is like it included everything, all the power, like all sales, service, support team. Okay, you can create, you can here even the programming is also included into this. Okay, got it till now? And the price is $330 per month. It is just a basic idea of how many we will mostly we will use this unlimited, I mean enterprises, companies and all, they use unlimited edition, because configuration also we should do, customization also we should. Configuration means mouse and click, what it is that just clicking. Customization means creating your own through manually, I mean through configure through mouse clicks or else through programming. Okay, so most companies will use unlimited because it has 10 GB, and then complete support will be there, 24/7 support. In case if you have any issue in the fault, you can reach out at any time. So companies will use this unlimited edition. Next comes, these and all are what paid edition. Paid total 5, Starter Suite, Pro Suite. These two we cannot, there is no force.com platform, like we cannot create anything. From here force.com platform starts. Enterprises, unlimited, Einstein one. Next come free edition. So free edition is nothing but normal new Salesforce users can use it, can try it, do a trial it, and they can have a hands-on experience. For that purpose, free edition is given. So free edition is complete, as your word says, free of cost. Like there are two categories: 30 days trial, and here it is like permanent account. Like after 180 days you have to again recheck it. It is like permanent account, free developer, and this is for 30 days trial. 30 days trial, this account basically what it is purely Pro Suite edition. Pro Suite edition, it means it has CRM functionality, but we cannot customize. No force.com platform is included. Okay, and free developer edition, it has complete force.com platform integration, lightning web, everything it is included over here. Here we can customize, here we can configure. So basically we will all work in, currently now we will all work in free developer edition only, because it is free. We cannot go with unlimited edition because it is paid one, we cannot purchase that. So now right now we all will work in this now, and now we'll for tomorrow session we will create an account for this free developer session. So we will use this free developer edition because it has configuration feature, force.com, that means we can create your own app, platform, free app, integration also we can do, lightning framework and everything. Storage is 20 MB, 20 MB is file storage, data is 5 MB. Okay. So till now, we have learned about Salesforce releases, multi-tenant architecture, and Salesforce edition. Okay. Have you taken the screenshot? Because notes I'll send at the end of our course. Guru, have you taken the screenshot?
Yeah.
Okay. So for tomorrow we will start creating a Salesforce account, that is through the free developer edition. Okay, because it is free, and here we can create your own apps and you can customize the existing one. Customization and configuration can be done. So we are using a free developer edition from tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll see the creating of Salesforce account. Okay. Till now it is clear, right? Okay. So yeah, we can stop here. Tomorrow we will look into the free developer creation of account, and then we will just walk around what all the features are there present in the Salesforce. Okay. I'll wind up the class now. Just give a confirmation or a thumbs up reaction. Yeah. So I'm good to go, right? We are closing the session. Thank you.